Just imagine if you could design, create, and manage your model in a completely digital workflow. Well, now, with BIM, you can. Any construction industry professional can create a highly detailed 3D digital model. Using a cloud-based platform, data deriving from the different disciplines are integrated into a single model, allowing you to highlight any issues and solve them way before the construction process. And now, let's start building. With the BIM model packed with information, for example, costs, activity timing, and materials, you can also manage the construction site and how the different work activities progress in time with great accuracy, while avoiding errors or inconsistencies. Share the digital model with the facility manager, who can now manage assets and maintenance activities more efficiently, ensuring safety and compliance with construction standards throughout the building's entire life cycle. Manage the entire project lifecycle with BIM,